Welcome to the world of Wonder Workshop. Ready to unbox your new robot Dash? Go ahead, open the box. Look, there's Dash. No assembly required. Inside Dash's box, you'll find 2 building brick connectors and also a USB charging cord. Go ahead and turn your Dash on. Just press the white power button on the side of the robot. You can turn off the robot by pressing the power button. If the robots are left inactive for 15 minutes, they will turn off by themselves. Dash comes partially charged and ready to go, but when the battery begins running low, you'll want to connect this orange charging cord or any other micro USB cable to a USB charger, which you can find on your computer or via a USB charging brick. Notice how the light blinks while charging. In less than 90 minutes, depending on how depleted it is, the robot will charge fully for about 2 to 3 hours of use. You'll know it is ready to go when this light goes off. When you're using one of our apps, you'll be able to check and see Dash's battery level. Also included in Dash's box are the building brick connectors. With a bit of a push, these snap into the ports on the sides of Dash's head and legs. Now you can use Legos to build all sorts of contraptions for Dash. Not sure what to do next? Download one of our 5 free apps onto your device so you can program and tell Dash what to do. You can also learn more about the different resources and activities we have for you on our website. That's about it. Have fun with Dash, and we can't wait to see the wonderful moments you'll make together.